The purpose of calling. Why do we need to call on the name of the Lord? Men need to call on the name of the Lord in order to be saved. Romans 10:13. The way of praying quietly does help people to be saved, but not so richly. The way of calling loudly helps people to be saved in a richer and more thorough way. Thus, we need to encourage people to open themselves and call on the name of the Lord, the name of the Lord Jesus. Psalm 116 tells us that we may partake of the Lord's salvation by calling on Him. I will take the cup of salvation and call upon the name of the Lord. In this one psalm, calling on the Lord is mentioned 4 times, verses 2, 4, 13, and 17. As we have seen earlier, the way to draw water from the springs of salvation is to call upon the name of the Lord. Isaiah 12:2-4. Many Christians have never called upon the Lord. If you have never called, even shouted before the Lord, it is doubtful that you have enjoyed the Lord in a rich way. Call upon His name. Cry out and give a ringing shout. Isaiah 12:4 and 6. Try shouting before Him. If you have never shouted about what the Lord is to you, try it. The more you shout, "Oh Lord Jesus, you are so rich to me," the more you will be released from yourself and filled with the Lord. Thousands of saints have been released and enriched through calling on the name of the Lord.